Hey, Matt from Roof Racks Galore, and this is the Front Runner Camp Kitchen Utensil Set. This isn't your typical flimsy, cheap camp cutlery. It's made from reinforced steel, nice composite handles, so it feels weighty and reliable in your hands. The kit comes with all the essential utensils you'll need, and it all rolls up in this custom designed storage bag. Inside the roll-up bag, you'll find knives, forks, spoons, there's a chopping board, tongs, spatulas, there's even a corkscrew and bottle opener. So that's gonna cover everything you need to have a full camp meal. The whole thing rolls up securely in this custom flap bag. So it means that you're not gonna have any rattling around while you're transporting, and it's super easy to store it away. There's no digging through boxes or bags to find your cutlery anymore. It's all gonna be in the one place. And it even has these loop with carabiner attachments, so it's easy to hang it up wherever you need your utensils, making it quick, easy access every time. And so that is the Front Runner Camp Kitchen Utensil Set. How awesome are these things? I want one.